young man room. What's good, YouTube? It's the homie G-Walk, and I'm back with another video. And I just want to show the people out there that have a 2015-2018 Chevrolet Tahoe, how to put the LED lights in, the low beams. All right. And I put a link down in the description of the bulbs that I get and where I get them from. All right. So basically, first off, starting on the passenger side, I took out the whole filter housing. Took the whole filter housing out. I disconnected the sensor. All right. Set that down to the side here. Alright, and come over here. But first of all, let me bag up. You gotta take this little bar off right here. You gotta take this little bar off right here first. Alright. Sits there like that. It's gonna be this one screw right here. And I just used a 10mm socket. I screwed it, took it off, moved it to the side, and then I took off the air filter. Make sure you disconnect the sensor first. Alright, sit there to the side there. Loosen up the clamp. Pull the filter out. Alright. The bottom of the filter just snaps into these holes right here. Alright. Then you have access to the headlights. Alright. It'll be right down here. This is the passenger side. And all you have to do is like you standing in front of the grill, just twist this up, pull it out just like that. Alright, and once you get that out, it's the back case housing. You get that out. Come down here, and there is the LED light. Well, I got the lead. That's my old LED light, the one that went out. I'm actually gonna go ahead and replace both of them. All right, and I'll show y'all those here in a minute. So with these, damn, motherfucker was just, what the hell? It just kind of completely out. Wow. No wonder it wasn't working. The glass and everything broke on it. Y'all see that? The glass broke on it. That's crazy. But hopefully the other ones fit a little better. You disconnect this here. Put your little tabs up and pull it out. Hard to do with one hand. Let me see if I can, let me take this camera down. Alright, so what I'm doing is disconnect this. Alright. I actually extended mine. This is how the factory connector looks. Okay. And I pulled those pins out to extend it. Right here. See it? Alright. Old bulb out of here. Let's go get the new ones. This is a new set that I got off Amazon. Okay. It should be able to fit with the 2015 to 2018 or 19 Tahoes, maybe the 20s. So it should work. Alright. This is how the new ones look. My new LED bulbs. That's supposed to be waterproof. You're gonna see how good they work. Shouldn't be no water getting in this headlight housing anyway. Let me go ahead and connect it up. Alright, we're gonna extend this. Alright. We got the color code, always. Alright, you see the black right there on the left. I'm gonna say red on the right. So I'll connect the red pins in on the red and black on black. Make sure they snug up in there real good. Alright. And now I'll grab the light. I'm gonna grab the light and I'm gonna turn the car on just to, well, I ain't gonna turn it on, but they're gonna turn the key just to make sure they come on. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, it's working. Alright. And they have the LED lights have fans on the bottom of them, keep them cool so they won't overheat. But like I said, they're working. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back off and go ahead and put it back in the housing. Alright, then we're gonna move on to the next one. Let's go ahead and insert it back in the housing. Make sure you don't have any oily fingers and shit like that, man, because you don't want to mess these bulbs up. Alright, so we got all the wires stuffed inside the housing, as y'all can see. No foo-foo shit. See, I stuffed all of it inside there. Then just come back with your cap. Put the cap back on. Alright, we are good to go on it. It's still working. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this air filter back on. Okay, and now on the driver's side, y'all see it right there. Same thing. If y'all wonder why my caps got a hole in it, it's because the way I was running my HIDs ones before. Stupid. So, but this light here was working. Alright, so yeah, that's the other one. These things not even the same. Two different brands. See that? Terrible. I might keep this one just in case because it actually still works. But same setup. Y'all can see. Get the pins inside here. Alright. So we'll go ahead and put these in. But first, we have to check them, of course. Alright. Just plug them up. Alright, and now it comes on. Alright, so it works. This one works as well, and it's like stupid bright. Alright. Go right in the hole. You gotta put it right in the hole, you know what I'm saying? That's what she said. Alright. Get it in. We are going to look at these lights now. Alright. Yes, sir. I love these. I love these. Oh, those look good. They look amazing. Just had to look with the fog lights on too. Car is crunked up. Rumble, young man, rumble. Alright. Light with the fog lights. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We back in action, baby. That's it, y'all. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Hope these help y'all out. I'm gonna leave the link to these lights in the description, man, so y'all can go pick them up for yourself. We good to go.